Hey, what's going on? Keith Nunez here, Doctor of Physical Therapy, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Xero Shoes Zelen, a road running shoe. So, let's get into it. Alright, so here's what you're going to get if you get the Zelen. Ooh. Alright, yeah. So I went with the white and blue colorway, but they do have an all black one, and I think they have a red and gray one too. Alright, so first impression, it looks a lot nicer in person than what you'd see online. I don't know why that is, but for some reason it does, and I'm actually really liking it. Alright, so it has all the same features as a typical barefoot shoe. So you have the wide toe box, of course. We have the thin sole, it's at 5 millimeters thick. And the zero drop heel, of course. And very flexible as well. Oh, fumbling my hands here. And then yeah, you can even roll it up this way. So allowing you to really feel the ground when you move. Also very light. It's I believe it's about 7.8 ounces at a size 9. And let's see, still has the removable insole if you want to get closer to the ground. It has the same sole as the HFS, so it's kind of tire tread inspired, and a pretty good quality feel to it. You know, it has some good traction. I don't feel like I would slip wearing these shoes. So if we look here, the toe cap is a nice firm material that will, you know, offer some protection to your toes. And I don't see you poking a hole through the tip here with your toenails whenever you're running. So the mesh upper is what really interests me. If you look closely, it looks and it feels very much like a Nike Flyknit. I don't know if you can see, but it does look like it has this kind of knit pattern to it, which, you know, I've always thought was cool, and the fact that they have this on Xero Shoes is pretty cool. Alright, now I'm going to put them on and I'm going to test them out and let you know what I think. Now, the unique thing about this shoe is that it was made with the intent of being eco-friendly. So it was made with recycled materials, and parts of it are more biodegradable if you wear out your shoes and throw them in the garbage. Alright, so after testing them, I have some thoughts. First off, I really like how much toe space there is. Some running shoes or athletic wear, they really make the toe box kind of tight, but this one, like, I feel like there's plenty of room for your toes to kind of spread around, and for those with wide feet, I think this shoe would be actually a great fit for you. But you could also tighten up that midfoot really snug with the laces, which I also like. And as for walking, it was actually really comfortable walking in them. I didn't have really any problems with it. I tried walking on different surfaces and no problem, no feelings of things jabbing up into my foot. And as for running, I actually didn't have any problems either. It was actually pretty comfortable to run in as well. I thought my forefeet would be kind of sliding around a little bit considering how wide the toe box is, but I really didn't have that problem. I really don't have any complaints about the shoe. I mean, I'd say I'm a fan of the shoe. Right, so all in all, you know, I like the look of the shoe. I especially like this kind of fly knit sort of mesh type of material here. Feels comfortable to walk in, feels comfortable to run in. Yeah, really good shoe. Definitely recommend it. But yeah, so, you know, if you like the Xero Shoes Zelen and you want to get yourself a pair and at the same time support the channel, use my link in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.